Hey guys, welcome back to Autohrycfix. As you know, on this channel we try and fix everything as well as we can, but sometimes we do quick fixes, and this is one of the quick fixes that I'm going to do today. I have my 2011 Honda Crv, and I have a trailer hitch I will show you, which is completely rusted. I have repainted it maybe 2 or 3 times already. I know that the best way would be to remove the trailer hitch, send it out to get sandblasted, recoated, repainted, but even that, we don't know how long that would last, especially with the temperatures that we have here. So we're just going to sand it down as best we can, take off the most rust that we can, and just put some trim glad and refinish it just so it lasts as long as it does. Alright, so come on to the journey. So as you can see, it's pretty rusted. Like I said, we're just gonna take off the surface rust, sand it down a little bit. We've got some tools over here, a little wire brush, 2 little scrapers, some sandpaper, Scotch-Brite just to like clean it up a little bit, a hammer for that little, like the big chunks of rust that'll fall off, and then afterwards we're just gonna take our little trim glad here, put a little coat on. It's gonna look great. All right, so enjoy the show. As you can see, I sanded it down as best as I could. Like I said, this is a quick fix, not a full-on restoration. Quick fix, remember that. So now we're just gonna go ahead and take my paint and just paint it black. And it's gonna look beautiful. And there you have it. Sanded, painted, quick fix. Looks good. Till next year, we'll see what happens. Thanks a lot, guys, for being here. Have a good one.